Are you still spending hours writing reports, emails, or presentations? What if AI could do it for you faster and smarter? Have you ever stared at a blank document, struggling to find the right words? Whether it's writing an email, summarizing a report, or creating compelling content? Microsoft's AI tools can help you write faster and smarter. In today's video, I'll show you the best AI-powered features in Microsoft that will transform the way you write. Plus, I'll share some insider tips to make the most of these tools. Let's get started. Boost your writing with AI in Microsoft. Microsoft Copilot, your AI writing assistant. Imagine having a writing partner available 24/7, ready to help you brainstorm ideas, draft content, and even suggest that perfect turn of phrase. That's exactly what Copilot offers. It's like having a superpowered writing buddy right inside your Microsoft apps. Unlock the power of Copilot. Let's say you're working on a report in Word. You've got your outline, but you're feeling stuck on a particular section. Simply type a brief description of what you want to say, and Copilot will generate text suggestions based on your input. But Copilot isn't just about generating text from scratch. It can also help you rephrase sentences, adjust the tone of your writing, and even summarize lengthy paragraphs into concise bullet points. And here's a pro tip. The more context you give Copilot, the better it will understand your intent and generate more relevant suggestions. So don't be afraid to provide detailed instructions or even ask it specific questions. Pro tip, provide context for better results. Copilot is also incredibly versatile. You can use it to compose emails in Outlook, create presentations in PowerPoint, and even draft social media posts. It's like having an AI writing assistant for all your communication needs. One of the things I love most about Copilot is its ability to adapt to your writing style. As you use it more and more, it learns your preferences and tailors its suggestions accordingly. Now, some of you might be thinking, won't this make me lazy as a writer? But I see Copilot as a tool for empowerment, not replacement. It frees up your time and mental energy so you can focus on the big picture, crafting compelling narratives, developing strong arguments, and connecting with your audience on a deeper level. Copilot, empowering writers, not replacing them. So if you're ready to supercharge your writing and experience the future of AI-powered assistance, give Copilot a try. I guarantee you'll be amazed at what it can do. Microsoft Editor, your AI grammar guru. We've all been there, staring at a piece of writing, convinced it's error-free, only to have a typo or a grammatical blunder jump out at us later. That's where Microsoft Editor comes in, acting as your vigilant proofreader, catching those pesky mistakes, and helping you polish your writing to perfection. Write with confidence, edit with precision. But Editor is much more than just a glorified spell checker. It delves deeper into your writing, analyzing sentence structure, word choice, and overall clarity. It's like having a virtual writing coach by your side, offering constructive feedback and suggestions for improvement. One of the standout features of Editor is its ability to identify and suggest corrections for commonly misused words. For example, it can tell the difference between affect and effect, there, and other easily confused word pairs. No more second guessing yourself. And here's a game changer. Editor also offers inclusivity suggestions, helping you avoid gender-biased language, promote respectful terminology, and ensure your writing is sensitive to cultural differences. It's about making your writing welcoming and accessible to everyone. Inclusivity matters. Write with sensitivity. Now, I know some writers might be hesitant to embrace a tool that scrutinizes their every word, but trust me, Editor isn't about stifling your creativity or forcing you into a rigid writing style. It's about empowering you to express yourself with clarity, confidence, and precision. Think of Editor as your secret weapon for crafting polished professional grade writing, whether it's an important email, a compelling blog post, or a standout resume. It's like having a team of expert editors at your fingertips, ready to elevate your writing to the next level. Editor, your key to polished professional writing. So, the next time you're working on a piece of writing, don't hit that send button without first letting Microsoft Editor work its magic. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make in the clarity, conciseness, and overall impact of your words. Talk to, write, mastering AI speech to text. Did you know you can write without even typing? Microsoft's AI-powered speech-to-text feature lets you dictate your ideas and it converts them into text instantly. Talk to write, mastering AI speech-to-text. Imagine this. You're struck by a brilliant idea for your next blog post, but you're nowhere near a keyboard. Or maybe you're just tired of typing and wish there was a more effortless way to get your thoughts down. Well, with Microsoft's speech-to-text feature, you can literally talk to write, transforming your spoken words into written text with remarkable accuracy from voice to text. Unleash the power of speech recognition. Whether you're using Word, Outlook, or even just browsing the web, you can activate speech to text with a simple keyboard shortcut or voice command. Then just start speaking naturally and watch as your words magically appear on the screen. But speech to text isn't just about speed and convenience. It can also be a game changer for people with disabilities or those who struggle with traditional typing methods. It opens up a whole new world of accessibility and empowers everyone to express themselves through writing, regardless of physical limitations. Speech to text, breaking down barriers, empowering everyone. And here's a pro tip to get the most accurate results from speech to text. Try to speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Also, be mindful of background noise, as excessive distractions can interfere with the software's ability to understand your words. Pro tip: speak clearly, minimize distractions. But what about punctuation and formatting, you might ask? Don't worry, speech to text has got you covered. You can use simple voice commands to insert commas, periods, question marks, and even create new paragraphs. It's like having your own personal transcriptionist, always ready to transcribe your thoughts with precision. As AI technology continues to evolve, speech to text is only going to get more sophisticated and accurate. Soon, it might even be able to capture the nuances of your voice, like tone and emphasis, adding another layer of expressiveness to your writing. So, if you're ready to ditch the keyboard and embrace the future of writing, give speech to text a try. You'll be amazed at how effortless and efficient it can be, freeing up your time and allowing your ideas to flow freely from your mind to the page. The future of writing is here. Embrace the power of your voice. Welcome to the future of content research. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can sift through countless articles, reports, and studies to find exactly the information you need, all in a matter of seconds. Enter AI-powered content research, a game changer for writers, students, and professionals alike. With tools like Microsoft's AI-driven search algorithms, you can now access a wealth of information with unprecedented ease. Whether you're working on a research paper, crafting a blog post, or preparing a business report, these AI tools can help you gather relevant data, identify key sources, and even summarize complex documents in a fraction of the time it would take manually. But that's not all. AI doesn't just find information. It also helps you understand it. Advanced features can analyze the credibility of sources, highlight important points, and even suggest additional topics for exploration. This ensures that your content is not only well-researched, but also well-rounded and authoritative. And here's a pro tip. Use AI-powered content research tools to stay updated on the latest trends in your field. By setting up custom alerts and notifications, you can receive updates on new research, articles, and developments as soon as they become available. This keeps your content fresh, relevant, and ahead of the curve. Pro tip, stay ahead with custom alerts. As AI technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for content research are limitless. Soon, these tools may even be able to predict emerging trends, giving you a competitive edge in your field. So, if you're ready to take your content research to the next level, it's time to embrace the power of AI. With these advanced tools at your disposal, you can save time, enhance your research quality, and produce content that truly stands out. The future of research is here. Embrace AI-powered content research. Smart insights, AI in Excel and PowerPoint. Writing isn't just about words. Sometimes it's about presenting data effectively. AI in Microsoft can help with that too. Smart insights, AI in Excel and PowerPoint. In today's data-driven world, the ability to analyze and present information effectively is crucial. But sifting through mountains of data and creating compelling visuals can be a time-consuming and daunting task. That's where AI in Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint comes in, providing smart insights and intuitive tools to help you transform raw data into meaningful stories. Beyond words, AI-powered data storytelling. Let's start with Excel. Imagine having an AI assistant that can analyze your spreadsheets, identify trends, and generate insightful summaries in seconds. With features like ideas and analyze data, Excel can surface hidden patterns, highlight key takeaways, and even create custom charts and graphs to visualize your data in compelling ways. But the magic doesn't stop there. Once you've uncovered the story within your data, PowerPoint's AI-powered features can help you bring it to life. With Designer and Presenter Coach, you can create visually stunning presentations with ease. Designer suggests professional-looking slide layouts, while Presenter Coach provides real-time feedback on your pacing, tone, and use of filler words. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to experiment with different chart types and visualization options to find the most effective way to communicate your data story. Remember, the goal is to make your insights clear, engaging, and memorable for your audience. Pro tip: visualize your data, tell a story. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting to explore the world of data storytelling, AI in Excel and PowerPoint can empower you to unlock the hidden potential within your data and communicate your findings with impact and confidence. So the next time you're faced with a spreadsheet full of numbers or tasked with creating a presentation that captivates your audience, remember that AI is your secret weapon for transforming data into compelling narratives that inform, inspire, and drive action. Data plus AI, impactful storytelling. With AI by your side, you can unlock the power of data and become a master storyteller, captivating your audience with insights that resonate and leave a lasting impression. And there you have it. From crafting the perfect sentence to presenting data like a pro, AI has the power to revolutionize your writing and storytelling. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite AI tool or tip, or let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Join our community of AI enthusiasts and take your writing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.